शुभकामनाएं। प्रणाम दीदी, गुरु पूर्णिमा की शुभकामनाएं। We love you दीदी, thank you for everything.
To fasten the seatbelt, push the metal fitting into the buckle, then pull the loose end of the strap.
Happy Guru Purnima Didi. Thank you for everything that you do for us. Love you.
Happy Guru Purnima Didi. Thank you. Miss you.
Didi. So since it's Guru Purnima, I thought I'd drop in to let you know how extremely special you are to me. And I was basically thinking about what to say, and I can't. I'm just speechless. And there's just so much that you've been part of that I can't even come up with something to tell you about. You've practically seen me grow up from a two-ponied or a fountain ponied toddler who was 4 and would just cry until I was in your lap, to a rebellious teenager who didn't want to do a lot of things, to this person who is still very confused but does know that it's extremely important to be a good person, and it's extremely important to have clarity of thought and to be extremely independent. So thank you for that, Didi. I owe it to no one else but you. And lastly, thank you for being a mother to me. Like the night stays, the conversation that we had, the scoldings that made me a better person each time. Singapore, Poland. I can't even thank you enough for giving the opportunities that you did, because no one in this world could give me those opportunities. So thank you, Didi. I love you so much. Mwah. See you on Friday.
I wish you a very happy Guru Purnima. I've known you for almost 17 years now, since I was like 5 years old. So you have seen me grown, and also I have seen you evolve into this. I think you're actually getting younger, not older. I can never say that for you. You actually have evolved to be a younger person. So it's been a pleasure knowing you, and I'm so grateful to have you with me. So just be happy, keep not growing, keep aging back. That's what suits you the most. So God bless you, Didi, and I'm so happy to be associated with you, and I just hope we are associated forever. Enjoy.
Happy Guru Purnima, Didi. It's been such a wonderful journey with you, and I feel really lucky to have you in my life. Thank you so much for all the opportunities and lessons you've given me. I cannot thank you enough for all of that. And I wish you good health, success, and love always. I love you so much.
Guru Purnima ka pranam di, and thank you so much. Like my Facebook post said, I cannot thank to God I've got a guru like you, and not only me, all the IPNs. So thank you so much for being in our life. Thank you so much. Love you to the moon and back.
Pranam Didi. Happy Guru Purnima.
We love you.
We love you. Mwah.
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 Mwah. Mwah.
Mwah.
Hi Didi, thank you so very much for introducing me to this world of Kathak. I really love you for this. I want to let you know that it has been an awesome journey, which I don't know, I would have missed it if I had not met you. I really thank God that I was introduced to you and the world of Kathak. Please stay this way and do look after your health, which is most important, because AIPA and Kathak cannot be without you. Take care and
आपको गुरु पूर्णिमा का प्रणाम. Thank you for always being my guiding light, not just molding me as a dancer, but for giving me so many more teachings in life. आज जो हूँ आपकी वजह से हूँ, जिस तरह से अपनी लाइफ हैंडल कर पा रही हूँ उसमें आपका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. Thank you for always being the best guru to me. I couldn't have asked for anything more in life. Thank you for all the scoldings whenever we've been wrong, for all the love that you've given to us. Thank you so much for being the best light, for being the guide to every path that I could pave in my life. Thank you so much, Didi. I love you. Happy Guru Purnima, Didi.
हेलो, थैंक यू दीदी, आप मेरे गुरु बने, आप मेरी लाइफ में एक एंजल की तरह आए. आई कुडंट डू विदाउट यू, आई कैन नॉट स्टिल डू विदाउट यू. हर मोमेंट लाइफ में आपकी सिखाई हुई कोई ना कोई चीज़ याद आती है, चाहे वो एक फेमिनिस्ट बनना हो या फिर अपने राइट के लिए खड़े होना हो. डांस तो खैर आपने ज़िंदगी के लिए अवॉइड कर दिया है, खून में मालकोस तराना भी दौड़ता है मेरे. और चाहे वो सिंगापुर की लगी हुई झाड़ हो या मॉर्निंग रिहर्सल्स या मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट लूची और स्टेशन आलू, these things are inside me now and no one can take it out. So I'm gonna come back to AIPA very soon and dance like crazy and dance for living. So thank you for everything and I love you. Bye bye.
गुरु गोबिंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपके जो दारू दियो पिलाए. सॉरी जस्ट किडिंग, मुझे पता है बहुत सारी गाली दोगे मुझे. हाँ, गुरु पूर्णिमा मैंने आपके साथ सेलिब्रेट कर ली है और मैं फिर से बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं मैं आपको देती हूँ. बहुत सारा आपसे मैं ब्लेसिंग सीख करती हूँ और आपका धन्यवाद करती हूँ मैं. थैंक यू तो बहुत ही छोटा शब्द है. आपके लिए जो ग्रैटिट्यूड मेरे दिल में है उसको मैं कभी भी शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकती हूँ. हाँ, मेरे अंदर बहुत सारा प्यार भी है आपके लिए, जो भी मैं शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकती हूँ. तो दीदी मैं बस ऐसी हूँ, आई एम वेरी बैड एट इट, बट टू कीप इट शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल, आई लव यू अ लॉट एंड भगवान करे आपको मेरी भी उम्र लग जाए और आप बहुत 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 हेल्दी हो जाओ. और प्लीज़ मीठा खाना बंद कर दो प्लीज़, और इलायची का पैकेट खरीदना भी बंद कर दो. लव यू दीदी, बाय बाय.
हेलो दीदी, सॉरी फॉर लुकिंग लाइक अ पोटैटो इन दिस वीडियो, पर मैं आपसे कहना चाहती हूँ कि हैप्पी बर्थडे आने वाला है आपका. पर आज मैं आपसे कहना चाहती हूँ गुरु पूर्णिमा का प्रणाम. Didi, when I think about our relationship, I wonder if someone's half as lucky as I am, because I literally have two mothers. At other times I feel ये भगवान मुझे किस चीज़ की सज़ा दे रहा है कि मेरी दो माएँ हैं, but mostly I think it's the former. Not a lot of senti stuff on this video because I'm assuming you're halfway through the video and you're already crying. Also not a lot of senti stuff because I'm assuming you know how I feel about our relationship, about dance, about everything that I feel about you. Just want to say, ये जो आप हमारी मैगी में मटर डालती हो और मैक्रोनी में कॉर्न डालती हो, ये जो आप गेम खेलती हो ना हमारे साथ, सही करती हो. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग द यशोदा माँ इन माई लाइफ, क्वाइट लिटरली. थैंक यू फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग मी एज अ शाई voiceless 4-year-old and helping me grow up into whoever and however I am today. If there's anybody at all I owe my current life to apart from my parents, it has to be you. I wish this relationship goes on forever and ever and ever and ever. मुझे आपके लिए गाना गाना है और वो गाना है ये, मेरा टा 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 ओ मेरा टा 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 ओ मेरा टा 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 टा. I love you दीदी, bye.
Guru Purnima pranam niyo didi. I don't know where to start from because Ami, like, you have helped me a lot to grow in my life. Like I've always said that how to dream कैसे करना है and how to dream big. I've learned it from you. And all the overseas trips that we had, you have taken care of us. जिस तरह से एक माँ ख्याल रखती है आपने, उसी तरह से ध्यान रखा है. कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आने दिया. एंड आई चेरिश दोज ट्रिप्स, आई चेरिश दोज मेमोरीज सो मच. आई एम नॉट वेरी एक्सप्रेसिव, आई हैव नेवर बिन. that is how I am, but honestly I love you a lot. मैं आपकी बहुत 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 रिस्पेक्ट भी करती हूँ. And I as a dancer also, you've given me that space, you've given me that position जो मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि इतनी जल्दी मुझे मिल जाएगा, because within 2-3 years I guess joining Kathak, आपने मुझे अपने साथ डांस करने ले लिया था, and that was a huge push for me, and I became more confident. And of course AIPA is a family, and हम लोग इतना मस्ती करते हैं जब हम लोग एक साथ होते हैं. So yeah, I guess I see, again I'm not able to express, but thank you so much for everything. All these years I have learned a lot, and I know that life is full of struggles, and उन struggles से निकलने का तरीका भी मैंने आपसे सीखा है. So yes, thank you, and I just thank my destiny that मैं आपसे मिली और आपकी student हूँ. That's it. Bye.
To give, to share, to love, to be kind, to show it if you love someone, to respect, to stay humble, to being in gratitude, and never forgetting your roots, and yet taking the flights of freedom, of creativity, of dance, of emotions. This and a lot more I keep with me, because that is what you've given to me. Thank you for sharing your time, your efforts, your everything with me and every one of us. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the selfless teachings of not just the art, but also of life. I love you, Didi. Please stay healthy, happy, prosperous, so that we all can shine with you. Always shine. Love you.
बैठ जाता हूं मिट्टी पे अक्सर, क्योंकि मुझे अपनी औकात अच्छी लगती है. मैंने समंदर से सीखा है जीने का सलीका, चुपचाप से बहना और अपनी मौज में रहना. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझ में कोई ऐब नहीं है, पर सच कहता हूं मुझ में कोई फरेब नहीं है. जल जाते हैं मेरे अंदाज से मेरे दुश्मन, क्योंकि एक मुद्दत से मैंने ना मोहब्बत बदली और ना दोस्त बदले.